This is our job for today. We're over at the athletic center here in Laverne, California, Damien High School. Getting ready to put in some carpet tile and a small LVT entryway. So this is what we got today. You walk in, there's an entryway here. And then it goes into a big room and then another room over there. This entryway is going to be LVT. And you can see how the floor's kind of dull as opposed to out here where it's a little shinier. We had the wax stripped off of this so our glue will adhere. So I made my lines right here already. The LVT is going to stop, and I even sanded it right there. And when we're done, they'll come back in and wax that. But we're going to put a reducer there. We're going to stop it right here at this line. This line there. And then this room is carpet. This room is carpet. So we went ahead and scraped our walls so that our base will sit on nice and flat. So we're going to clean that up. And then we'll clean this stuff up right here. And then after we lay that entryway, we'll start laying some carpet down. Okay, we got our LVT done. See how it kind of blends in with the cabinets? Pretty sure that's why they picked it. And the carpet we're putting in is kind of got a little bit of green in it. And we're gonna put a green coat base. We're gonna put our transitions down right now. And we gotta install carpet in this room here and over in this big room. Got all our carpets stacked up. I'm gonna start opening up these boxes right now. And we got all our tools over here. We're gonna start on this side right here, the empty side, and work our way back over here. So we're getting there. We've got a big chunk of the carpet done. We're working into that back corner over there. Got all this done over here. And then we're having to cut it net on this cabinet right here. So we got a full piece going to there, and we're cutting off probably about an inch. We got all this tied in right here. The entryway was already done yesterday, and then we have that other room to do back there. But we're having to save every little piece because the job's real tight. This is a really expensive carpet, so we don't want to be short. so we're all finished over here at Damien High School in Laverne. That's what our floor looks like with our base put on. And over here we got our base and our carpet done. We cut it net to the cabinet and base all the way around over here. Carpet's got a little bit of green in it, so it kind of accents the base, but have this big room done over here. And if you look at the cabinets that they put in, see the backdrop with the floor. It actually matches it a little better when it's darker, but it's kind of cool. Now we're on to the next one. That's it.